Hello everyone, today we are going to make Baingan ka bharta. For that I've taken 1 brinjal or eggplant, 2 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped chili and ginger of 1 inch size finely chopped. Now first we grease the brinjal or eggplant with oil and make slits at regular intervals. Roast it on flame. I've used this elongated shaped of brinjal. You can use the usual one. I've made use of whatever is available during this lockdown. Now smash it with a wooden spatula, or you can also use a knife to do the same. Once that is done, we can keep this aside and start making the masala.
Some of the old songs.
In a pan, I've taken 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and in goes the chopped onion. Fry the onion till it is translucent.
As time goes by.
I added 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, chopped chili, and the chopped tomatoes. Mix it up well together.
For all time's sake.
Now I add the chopped ginger,
As time goes by.
salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric,
Been a long time.
pinch of red chili powder, and the smashed eggplant. Mix
For all time's
the
sake.
masala well with the eggplant, and after cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes, your Baingan ka bharta will be ready. Hope you like this video. Thank you.